Understand? My sister take off. And we don't really know what's going on. We have to respect that and honor that. You understand? Because everybody go through what they go through. But just see my sister, I really would like to die that. But start shed be 8 years. It's kind of wicked. Yeah. People, my son is not eating and he got to eat, you know? So I'm feeding him. Leave the phone alone. Come, eating time. Come. Yeah, I gotta feed him. Because he's not eating, right? So it's my job. Good boy. Like your food?
You like daddy feeding you better than you feeding yourself?
Yeah. Doesn't want to eat, man. So I'm here for him. I remember these days when my mom used to feed me.
Daddy cook good food.
Yeah.
Ackee and saltfish, guys. Yummy, yummy.
It's ackee and red herring, baby.
Oh, sorry.
Red herring.
Oh, but it's still salty.
Yeah, it's red herring. It's not saltfish.
It's
two different fish.
Oh.
Open. It's okay. Open. Good boy. Let me see your pretty face. I'm gonna see your pretty face.
Mom, we're gonna put you on our vlog, so we just want to say we wish you were here.
Yeah, I wish you did there, my mother. That's why I want to see your pretty face.
Mom is in the U.S.
Yeah, guys, my mother migrate since here.
Yeah.
So she's not here. But last year when we went down, luckily my wife already met my mom.
Yes,
so
I met her.
that's good. But she's here on the phone with us. She's here in the spirit, so that's good. Always here, you know? So.
We love you and we wish you were here, but at least now we have technology where we can call you and talk
never
to you.
guess what? She's coming to Canada soon. So
Yes.
that's gonna be good.
We will meet somewhere again.
Yeah.
Yes, of course, absolutely.
We'll meet somewhere again. If the Lord's carry,
That's
we will meet somewhere again.
Of course.
God willing.
I remember you coming to Canada, Mom. So we'll see you.
Yes, man, I'm coming to Canada. And next year I'm going to England.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, backstory, guys. My mom have kids in all three first world countries: Canada, America, England, and she got kids out here in Jamaica. So, yeah. So we all take her now and then. So it's my time. It's gonna be my time in October, and then she's going away to England. So, yeah, that's how. But she's living in the States, so that's how we do it, you know. So, yeah, that's my mama.
Yeah.
Everybody get their turn with their mom.
That's true. That's good, eh?
But you know what? She's a fighter, right? And she fight with all of us. She never. What if she had done the opposite and never brought us here? Then what would happen? So we stick together, you know. So yeah, we stick together and we help each other as family.
Yeah.
And yeah, I can tell you, man, family is the best thing. So y'all out there, take care of your mom. And be like me. When son said he doesn't want his food, you sit him down and feed him. Yeah, because he's not gonna eat on his own. So, ready? Let me see him off. Finish? Good boy, come. Good boy.
Want to wave to the people? Say hi to everybody.
Say
Oh,
hi,
no, wait
guys.
till you're done your food. I'm sorry. We don't want you to talk with your mouth full.
Say hi. Good.
Wave your hand.
You shy? You shy, right? I don't know what TV, guys. So. And them thing I'm call life, you know, that. Course that, Kevin that, you know. And them thing I'm call life, man. Cherish the moment, bro. You hear that? Not like it, man. Solid. Activity, man. He said, dog, see that my sister this dog. Hear that? Yeah, brother, we have to wait for now, bro. Hear that?
Don't play with her.
Yeah, dog, she there. Modeling sister, you know? Look for her. Check her out. Yeah, man. I family this, man. A brother and sister this. One father, one mother picking them. Trust me, brother. You understand me? Yo, from morning I come out because I decide so I have to see my sister today. I ain't going back. I'm gonna see my sister, you know? So it's a blessing, bro. Trust me, dog. Trust me. It's a blessing, dog. Yes, man. Trust me, dog. Yeah, that is a blessing, sis. Yeah, man. Big up, man. Activity.
Yeah, and that's there.
Yeah, man. So father
Take
there.
there.
You know, father tell that him help with him. You know? Yeah, man. Trust me, man. A sister that, man. Look a sister that. Yo. Yo, been a while me see my sister, dog. Yeah, that. Me say yo, me say dog. Yo, yeah. I'm cold hold it, you know. You have to shed some tears, man, I tell you. I understand, I see my sister all long, bro, and you understand? I mean, everybody have a stress or have a problem or whatsoever, bro. I understand, my sister take off. I wouldn't really know what going on. We have to respect that and honor that, you understand? Because everybody go through what they go through. But just see my sister, I really would like to die, but start shed be 8 years. It's kind of wicked. And that's what I said, the whole family breakdown. But I'm glad I could have mend that bridge there and bring back the family together. You understand what I said? So, kind of sticky and emotional and, you know, I know I don't know the tears come, brother, but I just want to tell you, say, yo, I love you, dog. Knock my line anytime, bro. You understand what I say? Knock my line, it no matter what. Just knock my line any more, dog. Nothing at all, bro. Just knock my line. Anything, dog. I just want you know, say, yo, I love you. You understand what I say? I can't stay a foreigner, no, say, dog. I can't in contact with you. I would say what the case is, bro. You understand? You just stay in contact with me, bro. You understand? I'm greatest that right now I'm active. I'm tell you, say, I'm active in a foreign. I'm active, dog. So just knock my line. Anything, dog. You see me? The goal was to bring back the family together. I'm here to tell you, so we won't reunite more than anything else, you know, dog. You see me? Everybody wants to see you, dog. You get to me and say? So, I tell you, bro. Love you, youth. Care what, brother. Love you, dog. I love you, dog. You get to me and say? I'm glad some could have make it happen, bro. You see me? Yeah, man.
If you're not glad about nothing, I'm glad so the group actually bring the whole out together, because that was the aim.
Yeah, man. Daddy there.
You know.
That hold it like a cheese is what them man them mash up all that everything. See there, my brother break down that could hold it, brother. You know some little sister, one sister father God give you. You understand? And brother, I have to tell myself some could go back home. I'm gonna see her and stuff, brother. You understand me? I say not care what. So yeah, my family are the greatest, man, and that, brother. I understand. I never know say I saw. You know, it just so it would have get so emotional. You understand? But there, I'm gonna see what the rest of the evening bring. So stay tuned.
Gonna wait for Daddy?
Yeah.
We're gonna go for some meat. What's your name? Rogero what? Rogero. Good boy. Good boy. Don't hurt Mommy's earrings. Don't hurt me. Oh, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. What are we doing? Where are we going? Waiting for Daddy? Where are we gonna go? You being shy for the camera?
Cheese.
Are we going in? Are
Cheese.
we?
Cheese.
But where are we going? Are we going in the? Are we going in the car? We're going where?
Roger going to the car.
Roger's going to the car. King's brother O'Dane. Say what's up. This is his cousin Kevin. Say what's up. You're going on our vlog. Beyonce, beautiful sis, Dad.
Hello.
I wonder who he is. And this little cutie here. So we decided to come out to a Chinese restaurant tonight. Mom's on the phone with sis. Yeah. China Express. Let's see what we're gonna get. What's we gonna get? What you gonna get to eat?
One beautiful family. That's this poor. We were like a big beautiful water. Look at my beautiful son. He's healthy, in a good space, gift trouble. But what we're thankful for him.
Very thankful.
He's coming back home with us. Yeah, man, the whole family out. That's so big, man. Yeah, you know, everybody acting. He's being naughty.
Okay, guys, we're digging in. Pork.
Yeah.
Chicken fried rice.
Mala chicken.
Mala.
Fish.
What does mala mean, babe? What does that mean? Oh, okay. And this is fish.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just having fun. Don't judge me, guys. 3 different spoons in my thing. My father there eat. Yeah, I might enjoy. You know, my little sister. Right, yes, Kevin, that's my cousin, right? But this, brother. Yeah, man. Active, the food good, you know? My wife. And son. So that is it. And I'll give God thanks. Yeah. Really sweet.
Guys, this food is slamming. So good. Like it, baby? Good, tastes so good.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?